Dove here with another review. Today I'm reviewing the Ninja Foodie air fryer. This is an 1800 watt air fryer. It is made out of stainless steel and glass in the front. Got a nice glass window, and it also has a light. There we go. There's a light. You've got a nice handle on the left side. I don't know why these air fryers have the handle on the left side. I'm not a real big fan of the handle on the left side since I am a righty, but it is what it is, and it does a great job, and that's all that matters. This air fryer can air fry, it can broil, it can air roast, bake, you can make pizza, you can toast. You can toast a bagel, you can reheat, you can dehydrate, or you can keep things warm. It's got a nice digital display. It does come with several accessories, like this and this. Man, when I will figure it out here, it's got another one of these. I'll press over this. And it's got a basket. You can make your potatoes in here, your French fries. You can roast vegetables in here. And then it also has this down here, just to keep your oven a little bit cleaner. And you can take it out and clean that as well. And the other thing that I really like about this is that on your kitchen countertop, you can store it either like this, or you can lift it up and store it like this. That's the bottom. So you got your kitchen counter space, you got plenty of that. And then you can just bring it back down like so. So all in all, I give this product a 5 out of 5 stars. Been really happy with this, and highly recommend it, especially if you love cooking and air frying.